got to have faith. Hardcore DJ aiming for a broader audience with his debut EP and with lots of help from a top producer.
A youth like me, I've been in the business for a while, Anthony, you know what I mean? I don't know if people really see me.
St. James DJ Jafrass sort of typecast by past tracks like Crime Lord. But spreading his wings with his first EP, produced of course by his longtime mentor, Not Nice.
You don't know my vibe, I hardcore vibe. Sing for the street music. Sing for the people in the street. I'm signed to Not Nice Records, and before me even signed to Not Nice Records, I always want to sing for Not Nice Rhythm.
What needed to change? What was the plan?
People have him as a grimy artist. Well, he's more on the grimy side, He's not them smooth kind of artist, Him sing badman song, sing song for the ladies same way, but him still have a positive side.
Share your vision of what it is you see Jafrass capable of.
Let me tell you, sometimes taking up an artist, some people like the finished product. I am not that kind of producer. I'm more see a stone, I know I can take it and carve it into. And you see me take up a stone, I ask me where do I go with that stone there. The key better, he more learn for him control him voice, the lyrical content change somewhat, because it's like me I say, you can't sing. Be a bad man song, even if it's a bad man song, kind of do it smooth. If you listen to Warm, it's smooth, it have melody, it nice. You don't even realize that a badness in my sing about.
Me not pre them, me a go and pre my life. Clean pretty brown in them, the girl they me type.
With them foot, I'm sure with the business, we are doing the right thing.
But the business has evolved over the years and the sound of the music is changing.
We keep up with the dancehall, any direction the dancehall I go. At the direction that we are working.
So sum it up, what's the direction of the dancehall right now?
Well, dancehall, they are dancehall same way. If trap people, I listen to trap music just the same. People love it, you understand me? People love dancehall, people love trap music. So we just mix it and just make it work. I don't know if fans we are doing music for. So for that them want, that them all get.
But then along came COVID. So how has COVID changed the scene?
If we have to go live, if we have to post up a video, post up a picture, anything. If the people them out, them have them phone and them on.
Has faith panned out for you in terms of sticking to what you're doing in the music business? Because you've been after that big song.
Still a search for the big song. And Faith EP just dropped a big song, but that's funny.
What does it take to stick with it and not give up, because this is just the nature of the game?
Faith, that's what it takes.
Mountains, doors open, who close them, show them that you're chosen.
Faith, the song with him and Nadia is more on the conscious side, and then there's My Type, that is a straight dancehall vibe, and then there's a song with him and Squash. That is the kind of, when you say a dancehall trap, and there's him and Ja Vinci.
We actually have a song, it sounds like Christian music. I will still put hardcore music for the streets, you understand? So we just mix it. Also, we are trying to get the music to a wider audience. So listen, Jafrass.
When you started out in the business, obviously you came with some expectations of what it was all going to be like. Anything you would have changed?
Yeah, definitely. But I'm not gonna be specific, you know what I mean? But definitely, there's a lot of things where that I could have done better, and move was there that I could have made, everything on a level, but you don't know, not a mistake to me. Everything is just a teachment.
Are we making music in Jamaica right now that not just the Jamaican street want to hear?
Yeah, that's why they love dancehall.
But a lot of dancehall is sounding like a lot of hip-hop.
You don't know, it's just a mixture, it's just a change.
But you don't think we're confusing an overseas audience? We're confusing the wider audience out there about what is Jamaican music?
Sometimes it even sound like dancehall. It sound like straight overseas beat. But as me say, Anthony, what the people have like. But you don't know dancehall have its place. Never moved dancehall before. Dancehall is just dancehall. But you don't know if there's a new sound and the people them like it. It just mix in. It's all about the fans.
And it's all about COVID right now, so have you been vaccinated?
I'm gonna get vaccinated soon.
Why you think so many people are on the fence?
Well, you don't know, it's a Jamaica, you know, overall, you know, black people think. You understand me? Be a thing in our brain. I don't so we stay naturally. But to what I'm going right now, at first, I never think I get vaccinated. I'm not lie, but to what I'm going right now, Anthony, people are dying. I have friends where lose their family because of COVID, so I see it and know I'm not joke thing. You see me, so? But I advise people to get vaccinated, not joke.
What's grabbing the attention of the average dancehall listener?
Well, just as usual, any type of music. Once them like it, them not care for foolishness. Once them like it, I anything right now, you understand me? But for me, we just put out good music.
F-A-I-T-H-L, me Jubilee days. Yeah, I was there by my side, that me know me can't breathe in. Hold the faith, me never give up, never call up.